Good morning, everyone. Myself, Aisha Siddiqa from DMRJC Girls 1 Karimnagar. I am here to explain you about parts of speech, which is very interesting topic in English. There are 8 main parts of speech in English language: nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, pronouns, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. Let us see what is nouns. Noun is a part of speech that names a person, place, animal, or thing. For example, this is a boy. This is a dog. This is a red fort. This is a Honda City. Verbs. Verb is a part of speech that names actions. For example, Ricky walked to school. The baby is crying. Adjectives. Adjective is a part of speech that describes the quality of a person, place, animal, or thing. For example, Rohan is a smart boy. The green parrot is flying. This is a big hall. It is a round ball. Adverbs. Adverb is the part of speech that adds more information about a verb or an adjective. For example, my dog eats slowly. When he is very hungry, he eats quickly. Pronouns. Pronoun is a part of speech that replaces a noun. For example, Nikki is Indian. She is beautiful. Prepositions. Preposition is a part of speech that shows location, position, time, or direction. For example, we went to school on Monday. The train is passing through the tunnel. Conjunctions. Conjunction is a part of speech that joins together groups of words or sentences. For example, I like cats and dogs. The sky is cloudy but it is not raining. Let us see interjections. Interjection is a part of speech that shows emotion, surprise, or emphasis. For example, ouch, that hurts. Hi, how are you?